About driving on a dangerous road, we've had 4 inches of snow. The temperature is 29 degrees. We're kind of sliding around, so you want to reduce your speed. Take your time. You can see these people tapping their lights. So this means the conditions are hazardous. This vehicle to the left cut off 4 different cars. I'm maintaining about 35 miles an hour. I'm really easy on my brakes, and I'm just taking my time really seriously, because if you hit your brakes too hard, you're going to end up sliding into a vehicle, and that's not healthy for any of us. I'm going to make a lane change to the left so it's mirror turn signal. This is an outside view today, and try to make your lane changes before intersections. And you can hear, listen to the sound. So these are, I'm sorry, I'm yelling. These are hazardous conditions. So this car is hitting the gas and flying, about to crash. We're in our lane, in our smooth lane, taking our time. I need you to learn from this car how they're just cutting off cars, driving aggressive. It's not worth it. Why would you drive like that? Because you're speeding up to a light, you're cutting off cars. This is a dangerous situation. You're gonna end up making drivers road rage on you. There's black ice out here, so there's so many factors. And don't be a selfish driver. I need you to learn from this and be a defensive driver. Either you're gonna learn the right way to drive, hopefully through my tutorials, or you're gonna be watching your parents or watching another hazardous driver, and you can hear them. And what's funny, the trains is up there. So always funny, people who are in a hurry, the train is there. And I'm not saying they would run across the train tracks, so we're gonna see what this person will do. And I'm at about 30 miles an hour. And we're just taking our time, and we want to always be aware of what's going on. And I'm being smooth. The train is there, and the train is more a mile away, so they have basically, let's go right up to the train tracks. We're in no hurry, and we're going to go slow. We're going to take our time, and I want you to see this train. You cannot beat the train. The train gives you an optical illusion of being further away than it is, but that is so untrue. Many parts of North America don't have gates like this, and you have to be a defensive driver. Taking my time. So this is the car that was speeding across, and it is hilarious that you see cars just flying across this area. So I want you to hear this for a second. Listen. This means stop. You see those gates, railroad crossing, stop on red signal. We're stopping. Hopefully this brought you value. You learned something for this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I do driving tutorials. Thank you.